Write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. That means y equals mx plus b. That has a slope of -3/4, that's the slope m, and passes through the point 2, 4. So y equals mx plus b. X and y are variables, so they will be there. M is here, -3/4. Now y-intercept b is missing. For that we use this point 2, 4. Okay, so the equation is y equals m, that's -3/4 x plus b, and to determine b use 2, 4. So using the point 2, 4, x is 2, y is 4. Okay, so here y is 4 equals -3/4 times x, which is 2, plus b. Let's solve for b. So that's 4 equals -3/4 times 2. So 2 goes once, twice, so -3/2 plus b. Add 3/2 both sides. So b equals 4 plus 3/2. 4 is in fact 8/2. So 8/2 plus 3/2. 8 plus 3, 11/2. So add, you get 11/2. So thus the final answer is y equals m x plus b. b is plus 11/2. Okay. Now next question. It's about the same equation of line in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. That passes through the points, these 2 points. So from these 2 points, we need to determine the slope m and y-intercept b. Okay, for b we need only 1 point, but for slope we need 2 points. That's the case, and we know that slope m is rise over run. That means rise means always in y coordinates, so y2 minus y1, that's the rise part, x2 minus x1. By the way, the first point xy, but we can say x1 y1. Second point is also xy, but the second means x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus -3 over 4 minus -1. So minus negative plus, so 1 plus 3. 4 minus, that's plus, minus negative plus, 4 plus 1, 5. So the slope is 4/5. Then the equation is y equals mx plus b. M is 4/5 x plus b. Now b is missing, for we can use one of these 2 points. Let's use 4, 1. Using 4, 1, we could have used -1, -3 as well. So x is 4, y is 1. So 1 equals 4/5 times x is 4 plus b. So 1 equals 4/5 times 4. 4 times 4, 16/5, because there is no cancellation. 16/5 plus b. Now subtract 16/5 from both sides. Okay, just subtract 16/5. So 1 is 5/5. So we need to make common denominator. 5/5 minus 16/5. 5/5 minus 16/5. So 5 is the common denominator. 5 minus 16 is -11. Okay, so that's -11/5 is b. You can just do one side, 1 minus 16 over 5. So b is -11 over 5. Go back here, then write down the final answer. Y equals mx plus b, 4/5 x plus b. b is negative, so -11/5. Final